through multifamily real estate, through participating in multifamily real estate, investing in multifamily real estate, I am aiming to gain my freedom back.
Hello, everyone. We're Jacqueline and Melvin Landry, and we welcome you to our podcast, Get Diversified. Throughout these series, we'll cover all the topics and questions you have about investing in apartment buildings, storage facilities, and mobile home parks. Being knowledgeable in these areas will help you feel more comfortable about investing. Apartment investing equals building wealth. Building wealth equals financial freedom. Achieving financial freedom allows you to spend your time with building memories with your loved ones. Let's face it, time is the one element in life that is limited, and you don't want to waste it.
Hello, and welcome to the podcast entitled, Why Multifamily Real Estate? Why Now? For myself, I've been involved in real estate since 2005, and my initial journey into real estate didn't always start off with multifamily. So when I started, I was heavily involved in single-family acquisitions. I'd acquire single families in terms of distressed assets, foreclosures, as well as motivated sellers, and was always looking for an opportunity to build up on my portfolio. Additionally, I was purchasing real estate in 3 states, which was at the time Arizona, Indiana, and PA. Even though I was purchasing properties in 3 states, I was always doing things from more of a remote capacity. So I would go to visit those respective states and go to visit properties and check on tenants. But I always had the mindset at the time of, you know what, I will never purchase a property in the state that I live. So moving forward, 10 years later, I've amassed a pretty large portfolio to the tune of nearly 60 properties that were operational and cash flowing to the tune of $25,000 to $30,000 a month. It got to the point where, as for me, I decided to purchase majority of my properties in one state and tried to scale down just from this time frame of me being able to travel to different states and keep a proximity of properties in one area to make it easier for me from a scale standpoint. So I ended up selling the properties in Arizona and Indiana and just maintaining properties in Western PA. And I continued to build on the portfolio, albeit a small scale. So along with that, while being involved in real estate did come with some great opportunities, it did come with heartaches as well. So I was affected during the real estate crash of 2008 and 2009. The properties that I had in Arizona and in Indiana, I had to end up short selling a couple of my properties as well, due to the fact of the market turning for the worse, and I ended up being upside down. So what that taught me at the time was, making sure that trying to be aware for any type of dip in cycles, as well as ensuring that my debt position for the properties, because for those properties that I did short sale on, I had debt associated to it. So just being keenly aware of those respective situations, and also trying to be prepared and further educated on respective market cycles from a real estate standpoint boded very well for me in terms of, one, it was a learning experience, and 2, I got a chance to realize a downfall in the grand scheme of my real estate journey as I was buying properties and cash flowing very well. So from there, post 2009, 2010, continued to acquire properties in Western PA, continued to market to sellers, buy foreclosures, and just build up on my portfolio. So I continued to do that and favorably worked up a sizable portfolio. And again, maintain $25,000 to $30,000 a month, positive cash flow income. And again, that did come with headaches, right? So as you kind of think about being a landlord, right, in a different state, having a power team in place, but you know what, I get those calls too at night, right, when things break and there are respective issues and just dealing with tenants. So, those learnings kind of helped me along the way. And, I continued to kind of monitor and kind of further understand my situation along the way. For me, as I progressed in the journey, I decided to get education. I joined the Lee Arnold system of real estate, and I got a mentor. So with that, that helped me to kind of fine tune my processes and be a little more efficient, and also look for other ways to be able to kind of garner and acquire properties as well. So that helped me immensely along my time in my journey. And it got to the point whereas complacency set in for me. So I thought I had enough properties in place. My cash flow was pretty decent for me. And I kind of felt that, you know what, this is kind of just where I wanted to be. So I never decided to, increase outside of the number of kind of the 50 to 60 area. And additionally, I had also maintained, just acquiring single family, and just did not see another opportunity for me to kind of grow from that standpoint. So fast forward to 2022, and I got the opportunity to really explore multifamily real estate in a way that I had explored single family real estate almost 15 or so years ago. So additionally, what had worked for me previously, right? I joined the ecosystem, I got a mentor, and I kind of built on my educational mindset to help grow from a multifamily standpoint. I'll say this much. Multifamily real estate provides a ton of benefits in terms of, being tangible asset, diversification, helping to build communities, large cash flow, as well as outstanding tax benefits as well. So for myself, growing and further understanding multifamily real estate, the inner workings of multifamily real estate, kind of following along and watching other individuals who were kind of really, really, really excelling in this space helped me immensely. When you think about participating in real estate, multifamily real estate, right? You never want to reinvent the wheel, and which was why I had success previously on the single family front, had done very, very, very well. And I wanted to replicate that from a multifamily standpoint. And being able to replicate that from a multifamily standpoint has allowed me to kind of grow my net worth, be able to be in the proximity of other individuals who are doing it, and also gain scale at the end of the day as well. But for me, right, when you think about multifamily real estate and what I'm looking to gain from it as I progress in this journey, for me, it's about freedom and being able to get my time back. I think that's a critical core component to the driver of success in multifamily. I've come to realize that, in addition to um, working to understand the inner workings of multifamily, understanding the opportunities and the favorable markets, also understanding allocations and the intricacies of debt as well associated to multifamily real estate, has been a really, really, really fantastic educational learning experience for myself, as well as my wife and my family. One of the things that we're looking to do as we kind of move forward into the overall journey, we're looking to build on our portfolio. We're looking to gain assets under management. We're looking to continue the learning pendulum of growth in multifamily. And also we're looking to gain our time back, right? And look for freedom at the end of the day. I think participating in multifamily real estate will help us reach that goal, and continually being in the proximity of individuals who are doing it and garnering success will lend to our success at the end of the day. I do also think that from a tax benefit perspective, multifamily real estate provides superior tax benefits. It helps to accelerate bonus depreciation. It helps to garner additional cash flow. It helps to improve net worth. And it allows for greater efficiencies as well in your overall portfolio. You think about the stock market, right? Within the last 6 to 12 months, the stock market has not been favorable to me. Not quite sure how it's been for you as well, but I know my portfolio has not been favorable. Dealing and participating in multifamily real estate gives you a stable opportunity, it gives you a stable asset, and it gives you diversification that typically stocks would allow for with a little more dynamic shifts according to market. In regards to multifamily real estate, if you're working and helping to improve the asset and helping to monitor the balance sheet and help improve that net operating income, you're increasing the value of that overall asset, which is key to the value. That value helps not only yourself and your team who you may be working with, but it helps to improve the overall value for those participants in the community who may be staying in those units as well. Again, multifamily real estate has allowed me to scale up from an opportunity standpoint. It has allowed me for growth in my journey. And also, it has allowed me for an opportunity for me to be a visionary for freedom. Through multifamily real estate, through participating in multifamily real estate and investing in multifamily real estate, I am aiming to gain my freedom back. More times I can spend with my family, more times I can enjoy the things that I want to enjoy. And again, want to kind of have a fulfilling life. Multifamily real estate has been the start for me to be able to realize those goals. Thank you.
Jacqueline and Melvin, thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to listen to this episode of Get Diversified. Please make sure to subscribe to our podcast so you don't miss out on future episodes. Finally, stop by our website and follow us on social media. Ciao for now. Make it a great day, and we'll see you next time. And remember, get diversified.